What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We got the wrap in the back. You guys already know what time it is. You guys see the title, man. Yes, today we're going to go pick up the newest freaking Harley from Copart, man. Yes, we are picking up a 2021 Road Glide Special. Yes, I said it, special 2021, man. These things barely just hit the freaking floor at Harley, and now this is the very first one at Copart, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. I know you guys love the Road Glides, man, so if you guys never enter one of my giveaways, now will probably be the time, just because that ticket is like the cheapest it's ever been, man. So without further ado, man, we about to gas up the truck, hit the road, and get out of here, man. But without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now. Alrighty, guys, we have just made it to IAI. I don't see no sign, but y'all know what the colors is looking like. See if we can get in here and get our stuff. Alrighty, man, we got the truck set up, our little straps ready. Hopefully they bring it out quick, fast, and in a hurry. All right, guys. Oh my God, nigga, you dropping my bike, bro. These niggas is dropping the bike, bro. Golly. Whoever was riding it at first definitely dropped the bike. It looked like they about to ride it out here. They didn't drop the bike. Dropped it. God damn. Come on, man. Come on, mijo. Man, why you dropped the bike, man? It's a black truck. Pull it over here. The black truck.
¿Qué? No amárrala porque no quiero problemas. Hey, mira que la amarre no para subírsela ahí arriba.
They gonna come load it up or what? They gonna come load it up or what?
Yeah, just you, the strap.
Yeah, but you gonna load it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a ramp. But is they gonna load it up or what?
No.
Why not? They just loaded his up right there. They just loaded his. I don't understand. First he dropped the bike, and then they don't even load it. What type of bullshit is this, man? Fuck, weird ass niggas. And they so bullshit up here, y'all. They just gonna drop the bike in there. Then like, hey man, here. Shit don't make no sense. These didn't piss me off, dude. These really didn't piss me off. I'm so over this shit. I can't even lie to you. And broke my whole damn shit. I had a whole good inner and outer. Golly. Shit is dumb, homie. So now I guess gotta get the same thing we just freaking got. The storage doors literally just broke that right now. Then they call themselves riding it out and drop it. Straight trash, man. Straight trash. Straight trash, man. But we got our 2021 here, man. So I guess we'll be happy about that. Try to see what else he didn't damage. But we gonna get it together, man. What y'all think, dog? Alrighty, guys, we got this thing strapped down, loaded up, ready to go. They done made me mad today, but we got it strapped up. The bags are intact. Everything looks good on this side. Definitely needs a wash. Looks like our crash bar is jacked up. Our front fender is jacked up. And our forks may be bent a little bit. And then freaking dude just broke this little storage compartment, man. So gotta find another one of those little pieces now. We're gonna get it together, man. We're gonna get it together. What y'all think about it so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. Time to head to the house and get this thing sauced up, man. Alrighty, man. We had that thing loaded up. We got gas. We done finally made it back to the freaking desert. Hot as heck. 118 degrees on the way. 111 right now. Man, y'all know we can't offload this into the garage while it's dirty, man. So we got to go to the crib and go get our car wash stuff. Head to the car wash, get this thing cleaned up, and then we'll offload it and check it out. Alrighty, y'all, we done pulled up to the car wash, man. We ain't been up here in so long, dog. So long. But I'm gonna set y'all up. We're gonna get cracking. I don't know what the heck is all this back here. That wasn't just there. No. But we're gonna get it cracking and seeing what's up, man. Alrighty, guys, I'm feeling a whole lot better now after dude done dropped the bike and we didn't have to drive way across the desert in that heat, man. I'm excited. Got this thing cleaned up. 2021 Road Glide Special. Looks like the front fairing is scratched. Front fender, the front fork tube is bent, and the crash bar and the floorboard. Other than that, no big deal. At least that's from what I see right now. And then dude broke the freaking storage compartment when he was loading it up, man. So we would have been all pretty much green to go, but we'll get to the house and check it out a little bit more thoroughly. We done finally made it. Ooh, look at that thing shine up now, though. Oh yeah, I can't wait, man. Let's offload this thing. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, though. That chrome hidden. Alrighty, guys, we got it off the truck. Dude got it wiped down somewhat. Now our biggest damage is the fork tube. It's bent, as you guys can see. Bent there. This side is bent as well, so gonna need some new forks up front. Well, fork tubes rather. I think I'm gonna go with the chrome lowers on this. Chrome wheels, of course. We're gonna have to pop out this crash bar so we can get that floor to sit properly. No big deal there. Like I said, dude ripped this off when he was freaking loading it, so that's that. Other than the front, we do have some little scrapes right here on the side. No big deal there. This is like the only black body damage on the whole bike, besides the front fender, of course. But does look pretty good overall. I mean, we lucked up with this one, y'all. 2021 Road Glide Special. They still have these on the freaking showroom floors, dog. So we lucked up with this one. I'm excited. I am excited. The bags are looking good and everything. We might be able to freaking get this color matched and bring this color back to life. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Get some wheels and get a wraparound for this. But Y'all see it here first, man. What y'all think about it? 114. I guess we can start it up. Pretty quiet bike. Pretty quiet. Got to get that floorboard off the exhaust so you can stop freaking rattling that shield. But so far so good. Pretty clean looking bike. So I think, man, let your boy know. No, we're not getting no power. I guess we can start getting this thing situated, man. Probably take off this crash bar. At least we'll get this floorboard situated. Once we get off the crash bar, we can start ordering our little parts and stuff. Or we can just leave it together and hop on it tomorrow, man. It's so freaking hot out here, dog. I don't know exactly what I want to do just yet, but we're gonna figure something out. Alrighty, guys, we done got it in the garage, got it wiped down. It's looking good. We got the broken parts off. We did get that crash bar off. We found out that our rear brake was leaking some brake fluid. We tightened that up, so we're good to go there. Now, like I said, we do need to replace our fork tube, so that's the only thing that's damaged up there. Now, the fairing we can take to Antonio and get color matched, because this is literally the only damage on the bike, so no big deal there. You can color match that real nice, and then we'll be able to get like a wraparound and have Antonio do the same design, because this is a 2021, so you know, does look good and will look good when I get done with it. Gonna get some chrome lowers for it, chrome wheels, keep this paint scheme looking good. Like I said, everything on the bags and everything look good, no scrapes, scratches, nothing like that. But does seem pretty fair. Now, the only thing I can think of that's gonna throw us off is we're lacking power. Feel like it should be a lot more juice back there, man. So we're gonna have to figure it out, get this thing diagnosed, see what's going on with it. But may have to do a motor build or something on this one, man. I was gonna do it on the brown one, but want to give you guys the brown one, so I'm gonna be working on this one the day that we had scheduled to get that one cammed out and dyno. We're pretty much just gonna use that for this bike. So trying to see what we're gonna do here. Meanwhile, before we get too cracking, man, we got to get our forks ordered, our lowers, and then get this thing diagnosed. So we'll probably take this thing up to Harley tomorrow, drop that off, order our parts, and then while that thing is getting situated, all our parts and stuff will be on the way here. So I think that's what's going to be the plan with this one. Then again, who knows, man? Who knows, man? What y'all think about it, though? 2021 Road Glide Special is looking really, really good. I love the trim piece on this gas tank compared to the other ones. It looks really, really dope. But what y'all think, man? Let your boy know. And the 2020 is up for giveaway, man. So if you guys haven't entered for my 2020 Road Glide, yes, this one right here, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. These are going to be the cheapest giveaway prices we had in a while, man. So if you guys haven't entered one of my giveaways, now will probably be the time, because you guys can win this Road Glide special right here for $100, man. So tune in if you guys want to win that joint. Meanwhile, Lil Bay is looking good, man. Can't wait, man. So we got this thing back in the lineup. Well, in the lineup, rather. I remember when this thing was like all like older bikes, and like none of them was like really Road Glides. Now we got 4 Road Glides. Pretty much every year they made them. 2017, 2018. We got 2021. Looking real good, man. What y'all think about it? If y'all haven't entered the giveaway, y'all know what to do. Then I actually realized my cam job was supposed to be done like this upcoming Tuesday. So I want to get this thing in there before the weekend so we can get at least that much of a head start on it if it's anything major. All right, thought I was gonna be done with this one, but I want to get this one done fast and in a hurry, man. So we might as well drop it off, get this little diagnosis going, and see where we stand tomorrow, man. Alrighty, yeah, see my guy John here at Red Rock about to get us right. See what's going on, dog.
I'm surprised that didn't electrocute you, man.
Oh, wow. So we got no spark plug in there. That's why we're not getting no power down. All right, see? That's why we come mess with our guy John, man, here at Red Rock. He gonna get you right, man. All right, bet. Alrighty, guys, so we got it figured out. It definitely was just a spark plug and a spark plug wire. So my dog John is gonna get us right pretty cheap and easy. I think the spark plug is probably like $8 and the wire is freaking cheap. It's gonna charge me like $30 to get it all, 30 to 45 bucks to get it all on there and good to go. So tomorrow we would know what it's gonna be like. Can't wait. I think gonna be dope. As for now, we gotta get our forks situated because we do want to go chrome. So I think I'm gonna buy my forks and stuff today. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It was hot as heck today, man, but we did go pick up our new 2021 Road Glide Special back here from San Diego. It was a pretty cool ride, just hot as heck. Meanwhile, the bike does look pretty good overall. A few little things here and there. The main thing that I'm seeing is gonna be like a lot more juice to the motor. So I'm trying to see what's the real issue why we're not getting like full power, just because I know that thing should have gave us a little bit more noise, but we'll figure that thing out momentarily. We will be probably building this bike, so that should be fun, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, cop you a wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. These are the cheapest tickets we've had ever. So if you guys never entered the giveaway, this will probably be the giveaway to enter, man. So head over there right now and get your wallet, man. In the meantime, it's just hot, and I gotta get upstairs and chillax, man. So I'm gonna have to catch y'all in a minute. Peace.